Welcome. In front of me I have TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the... First, we need to turn off our watch. To do it, simply press and hold the upper button, keep holding it until you see the power menu on the screen. Once you see the power menu on the screen, tap on the power off option and wait until the watch turns off. After the watch turns off, we need to press and hold the upper button and the lower button together and keep holding them until the boot menu appears on the screen. So let's press and hold the buttons. And once you see this menu on the screen, you can release the buttons, and now, as you can see, we are in the boot menu. To move through this menu, use the lower button, like that. You can scroll through the different options. Now, find the option called Recovery Mode, select it, and then press the upper button to confirm. Once you see this screen, no command, you need to press and hold the upper button, and while holding the upper button, you need to swipe up on the screen. So press and hold the button and then swipe up on the screen to enter the recovery mode. In this menu, we can move through the menu by swiping up or down on the screen, like that. We can also use the lower button to scroll down, but only down. You can't scroll up with the buttons, unfortunately, because the scrolling down and scrolling up by swiping is quite... it's not as precise, basically. You can sometimes try to select something, but it's gonna be fighting with you, I would say. Anyway, so you can scroll through the menu by swiping up and down or by using the buttons, and you can select the or confirm the selections by pressing the upper button or by swiping left or right on the screen. Now, let's select the option called Wipe Data / Factory Reset. This one, select it. And once you select it, you can press the upper button or swipe left or right on the screen. Here, select yes, and then again, press the upper button or swipe left or right. Now, let's wait until the wiping process is complete. And once it says data wipe complete, make sure that the reboot system now option is selected, and then press the upper button or swipe left or right on the screen to confirm. And now let's wait. And once you see the tap to begin message, this means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.